Good morning, my friends. I am Dr. Sumitra. Today we are going to talk about ptosis corrections. So let me first explain you what is ptosis. So let me draw the human eye first. So this is the human eye, okay, and this is the upper lid. Hope it's quite clear to everyone. So this is the upper lid, and it keeps on moving up and down throughout the day. So this process is called blinking. So now let me draw one more diagram and explain you further. Say now this I am again drawing your human eye. This is the black portion of the eye, and this is the structure of the eye. And now if I draw, I am just trying to evert the upper eyelid. So I have everted the upper eyelid. So you can see these stripes that I am showing you right now. These are muscles. This muscle's role is to pull the lid up. This is called levator palpebrae superioris. If there is any problem with this muscle or its blood supply, then there is a problem in the blink rate. It can be also neurological cause. Now let me draw the eye again. So this is your basic human eye during the day, and this is these other I am showing you half closure of the eye, upper lid, and last I am showing you the complete closure of the eye. So this mechanism, so this is full closure of the eye. So this is the mechanism which our eye perform throughout the day. It's keeping the eye open, half closed, complete closed. So today I'm going to show you a patient where you will see that the person is unable to keep her eye open for a longer duration, and also she is having difficulty in closing her eyes. This condition is called ptosis. So today we are going to talk about ptosis and how we can manage these cases. We are going to know about it. So right now I am showing you another diagram. This is crutch. So with the help of crutch, we can help this patient to keep the eye open. So right now you can see that her eye is open. So this was possible only with the help of crutch. Usually we don't advise surgical procedure for these patients because surgery may have lot of complications and also failures. So this is the specs that you are seeing right now, and with this specs you are going to see that there is an attachment which is in the shape of C. Let me tell you friends, this crutch or the attachment cord, it is soft but it is also firm. It is soft because it is touching a very delicate part of your body, that is your upper eyelid. Also, it is firm. Why firm? Because if it is not firm, it will not be able to hold the upper lid up. So this is a very good combination of softness and firmness. If you touch it, it is very soft for you to feel, whereas it is enough capable to keep your eyelid open. So this is 100% safe, and even children can wear it. There are a lot of newborn babies who are taking birth with ptosis. So these are called congenital ptosis. In those cases also this crutch is helpful. Now I am going to show you a patient who is wearing this crutch glasses. Now if you look at this person from the side, you will not be able to identify that the person is wearing a crutch glasses. The specs is looking very much like a normal, but it has the attachment, and from the front also it is not visible. See, once I removed the specs, the lid fell down. But the moment you push the specs again, the lid is up. So this patient, she has been living her life with ptosis for years together. But today she got an option to wear a crutch glass and change her life. So we are going to talk to the patient and see what is her feedback and how she has passed her days with the ptosis. क्या हुआ था आपकी आँख में?
कुछ भी ऐसी दबते चली गया, कुछ भी नहीं हुआ था।
तो पलक कैसे नीचे आया?
जब पता नहीं है, वो कोई डॉक्टर लोग कहते हैं कि बीपी हाई के कारण से हो गया है।
कितने साल से पलक नीचे?
3 साल से हो गया है। तो और दिखाए थे, राजस्थान में दिखाए थे।
रहते कहाँ हैं आप?
हैं तो हम बिहार के हैं।
अच्छा,
हाँ।
तो कुछ करके ठीक नहीं हुआ? अच्छा, अभी चश्मा बनाने से आँख खुल गया? कोई दर्द हो रहा है?
अभी तो दर्द नहीं हो रहा है। लगाने से हो तो सब चश्मा लगाए तो दर्द नहीं होता था।
आपको देखिए पलक खुल गया कि नहीं आपका? पलक खुला
ये तो लगता तो है।
लगता? My dear friends, this Ptosis crutch glass is equally effective for children, even for newborn babies who are born with congenital ptosis. They can also wear these specs. So this specs is advisable for all age groups and every circumstances. Maybe the ptosis is due to myasthenia gravis or due to brain stroke or due to some other accident or whatever be the cause of the ptosis or the droopy eyelid or the lid lag, you can always go in for ptosis correction without going in for surgery. Blepharospasm cases can also wear these specs. So that's the best opportunity for you to avail. You need not come to the center. You can get the entire facility at your own place. You just need to send your photo to us on the WhatsApp number given on the screen, and we will make sure that your specs is getting delivered to you and you are having a healthy, good fitting and improving your eyesight. Thank you, my dear friends, for watching my channel.